In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to generate variations of images in Magnific AI Desktop. First, open the Magnific app. Once you're in, look over to the left sidebar and select Image Generator. This is the workspace where you'll set everything up for creating multiple versions of an image from a single idea. Start by choosing a model. Each model has its own strengths. Some lean more photorealistic, others more artistic, so pick one that matches the look you're aiming for. If you're unsure, begin with a general purpose model. You can always switch and compare results later. Next, set up your references. References help the model stay anchored to a style, subject, or composition you like. Click Add in the References section, then choose the image you want to guide the generation and click it to confirm. If you have more than one reference, use Add again to include additional images. Keep references relevant and visually clear. Tight crops or cluttered images can confuse the output. Now write your prompt. Be direct and descriptive about the subject, style, mood, lighting, and key details. For example, instead of a landscape, try sunlit alpine meadow, soft morning haze, wide-angle depth, natural color grading. Short, clear phrases tend to work best and reduce ambiguity. Decide how many results you want to generate. This is the setting that creates your variations. More results mean a wider spread of ideas to choose from, though it may take a bit longer to process. Pick a number that balances variety with speed. Choose the layout that fits your needs. The layout controls how your outputs are framed and previewed, great for quickly scanning differences in composition or orientation. Match it to the aspect ratio you expect to use so selections translate smoothly to your final use. When everything looks set, model, references, prompt, number of results, and layout click Generate. Magnific will produce a set of image variations based on your choices. Review the outputs to see how the prompt and references shaped each version, and note which combinations of model and wording gave you the strongest results for your next round.